So how do I create a working paper account in Nigeria that can receive payments internationally? This is like one of the questions I get asked by people all the time. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to create a functional paper account in Nigeria that can receive payments from any part of the world. So guys, before I go into the video, I'm going to answer some of the paper related questions that you guys have asked. So this is how I'm going to do it, guys. I'm going to answer those questions first, then teach you guys how to create a functional paper account in Nigeria that can receive payments without running into issues. So if you're new here, you're welcome. My name is Good Wonsu. The first question says, from my findings, by the way, if you see me looking up, it's just because I'm trying to read the questions. So the first question says, from my findings, if I am totally correct, we need a business account which requires an incorporation certificate to set up to be able to receive international funds. Guys, you don't need to register your business to be able to create a paper business account. Doing that is free and straightforward. It's just like creating an individual paper account. Once you go to paper website, paper is going to ask you if you want to create an individual account or a business account. It's just for you to check the option you want and then go through the process of registration. The process is the same for either individual or business. You don't need to register your account. So it's going to you're going to see something like this. Paper is going to ask you if you want to create an individual account or a business account. So all you need to do is just to click business account and then put all your information, and then that is it. The second question says, paper has limits on how much you can transact. How can someone get behind those limitations? The truth of the matter is this, guys. Paper will only do that once they notice a rapid or a sudden change in the amount of money you receive, or once they notice any rapid increase in sales volume. They'll place your account on limitation while they review your account. Okay, so how do you get behind those limitations? For you to get behind those limitations, you need to write paper. Usually, they'll send you an email to let you know. So if you want them to lift that limitation on time, it's just for you to go to your account and write them. The next question says, what card can be linked to paper? You can either link your credit card or your debit card. The next question says, why is it difficult to remove money from paper account to your own bank account? It is not difficult to remove money or transfer money from your paper account to your account. It is very easy and straightforward. All you have to do is just to link your card details, that's your bank account, to your paper account. So whenever you want to make a transfer, it's just for you to transfer your funds in your paper account to that bank account that is linked to your paper. So it is not difficult at all. Link your account to your paper so that whenever you want to make a transfer, it's just for you to transfer to that bank account that is linked already to your paper account. So the next question says, please, can I open a domiciliary account and link into my paper account? Yes, you can actually open a domiciliary account, but you can't link it to your Nigeria paper account. If you're trying to ask me whether you can use your domiciliary account to receive funds from your paper account, then the answer will be no for your Nigeria paper account. I'm going to talk about that later in this video. You can create a domiciliary account, but you can't use it to receive payments directly from your paper account. I'm going to tell you why later in this video. Okay, so the next question says, how do I receive money into my paper account? To receive money with your paper account, whoever is sending you money, just send the person your paper email address, and then the person will use that email address to send you your money. And then once the person sends the money, you're going to see the money in your paper account. The paper is going to send you an email that you just received money from somebody, and then they're going to put the details of the person there. Okay, so the next question says, how do I change my debit card that is expired to a new one? The process is very easy. Just go to where your card is linked and then edit it and put the new card. So the next question says, how do I transfer funds from my paper to Payoneer? You can transfer funds from your paper account to your Payoneer by linking your Payoneer account to your paper with the account details provided by Payoneer. Okay, so the next question says, how do you transfer funds from your paper to your local bank account in Nigeria? Guys, Nigeria paper does not receive payments. To receive payments in your local bank account in Nigeria, an account has to be linked to that paper. Let's say you are creating a paper in US, for instance. When you are creating a US paper, you have to link a US account to that paper. So when you're transferring your funds, it's just going to be from paper to that US account that is linked to the paper, and then from that US account to your local bank account in Nigeria, if that makes sense. So the next question says, can a Nigeria paper receive funds? No, Nigeria paper does not receive funds. Nigeria is one of the countries that are restricted from creating a paper account that can receive payments. The only thing your Nigeria paper account will do for you is for you to be able to pay for stuffs online. Let's say you want to buy a service on Fiverr.com. You can pay those freelancers on Fiverr with your paper account, but you cannot receive payment. Assuming I'm to send you money, you cannot use your Nigeria paper account to receive that money. How do I create a working paper account in Nigeria that can receive payment from any part of the world without issues? My recommendation would be for you to ask a trusted person that lives in a country that is not restricted by paper to create a paper business account for you. If you do it any other way, you're going to keep having issues. Now, this is what you should do. Let's say the name of your business is We Sell Watches. Tell the person to create a Gmail address that has We Sell Watches in it. Address would be wesellwatches@gmail.com. You wouldn't want your paper address to be lightskin@gmail.com when You Sell Watches is the name of your business. So ask the person to create a Gmail address that is similar to the name of your business. Like I said, let's assume the name of my business is We Sell Watches. Tell the person to create an email address that has We Sell Watches. So if wesellwatches@gmail.com is not available, the person can use a similar one, like maybe wesellwatches002@gmail.com. Now, once the person is done creating that Gmail, the person should use that Gmail address to create a paper business account. Now, once the person creates the paper business account, the person is going to use his details. So if the person lives in the US, the person is going to use his US phone number, his US address, and then verify the paper account with his US valid ID card. Now, once the person is done creating the account, all you have to do here in Nigeria is for you to open the email, the email address the person used to create that paper. Open it in your phone, and then just ask the person for the password, and then you open it in your phone, and then you get to see all the transactions in that paper. Paper always sends email. If any money is coming in, paper is going to send you an email, so you see that money just came in. If any money is leaving your paper account, paper is going to send you an email notification telling you so amount is leaving your paper account. So you will always get emails. Time to time, paper always asks for verification of your paper account. That is why if you do this any other way, you definitely get caught. I've never seen anybody who created a fake paper account that doesn't have issues or that didn't get his account blocked at the end of the day. They always have issues. So your own is just to open the email address in your phone so that you can monitor all the transactions going on in your account. If you do this any other way, trust me guys, that your account will definitely be blocked. You may successfully create the account at first and verify the account and start using it. But with time, paper is going to notice that the account is fake and they're going to block the account. And it could be that you have money in the account by the time they're going to block it. You'll just block it and you won't be able to get your money. So please do not listen to people telling you to use a VPN to create a paper account. You will definitely get caught. Trust me guys, the only safe way around this is for you to ask somebody to help you create a business paper account.
Please guys, ensure you create a paper business account. The business account has a way of making you look legit in front of your customers. The paper business account makes it super simple for your customers to pay you because they don't need to have a paper account themselves. With the paper business account, customers can pay you with credit cards, debit cards, paper, or through paper credit. With the paper business account, you can link a payment channel in your website without stress. Beyond that, a paper business account helps you manage your business, so go for the paper business account. Okay guys, so if you're in Nigeria and you are trying to create a paper account, this is what you're going to see on the home page of paper. That's paper.com. Let me just type it again so that you understand what I'm saying. The website is paper.com. So if you're in Nigeria and you're trying to create a paper account, this is what you're going to see. This page is what you're going to see. Now we only have the option to create a personal account, a personal paper account, which is bad for business. Paper will not allow you to create a paper business account because Nigeria is one of the countries that are restricted to create a paper business account. So the only thing your paper account can do for you is to buy things online. So if you don't have a paper account, you can come over to this place that says sign up and then sign up for a paper account. They're just going to ask you some of your details like your phone number, your address, and some of your personal details to create the account. But if you want a business account, then you have to tell somebody in a country that is not restricted by paper to help you create a paper business account, which is what we need as a business person. Please do not go against paper's policy just because you're trying to create a paper business account. Do not go against paper's policy.
Alright guys, that will be all for this video. I love you guys and I'll see you in the next one. For now, bye. Account.